We're talking about mental and legal preparation in case of divorce. Now, a lot of times when we are faced with either being the recipient of an unwelcome divorce or we're petitioning the court for divorce, there's a lot of fear, a lot of trial, a lot of tribulation that goes into that. And I think the big reason for that is because we fear the things that we don't know, right? The unknown is the scariest thing for most of us. And when you don't know about a subject matter, it seems and is scary. So I would get yourself educated. I would do a few internet searches. And I'm not talking about just a Google search or an AI search. I'm talking about do some deep reading on Texas family law, what the standards are, what property divisions look like. Get yourself a little bit of education. You don't need a law degree from Google, but you do need to know some basics and some other things that you might want to go ahead and make a consultation and get yourself a little bit of information so you know where you stand. But the biggest thing to do if you're getting yourself mentally prepared is to know that Texas is a no-fault state, that no matter how little or much one spouse or another worked in or during the marriage, both spouses are presumed to have contributed for and to the entire value of the community, which means half of everything belongs to each spouse. Half of everything. Breadwinner spouse, homemaker spouse, seven-figure spouse, unemployed spouse. Half of everything. And the things that, or if you're equal earners together, your nest eggs together are jointly owned, with the exception of the things that are inherited or that you brought into the marriage beforehand. And that gives a lot of people a lot of comfort to know that they can't lose all of their property or be left penniless, although there will be a start over, right? That's always a scary thing. So things that you might want to think about to be mentally and legally ready for that step, for that big step to get off the sidelines and onto the field, to file for a divorce, or when the other side files for a divorce, is to make sure that your own ability to stand on your own 2 feet, have financial wherewithal, have a job, be in control of your destiny and your future, such that you cannot have your future completely shaken or the foundation of your future completely shaken with regard to your ability or inability to provide for yourself, to provide for your kids, and put you in a stronger position, at least to weather a temporary storm before you start asking the court for the things that you might be entitled to, like child support or financial assistance, to assist in that sometimes long road through a divorce process.